the music fades, when the journey ends, what remains is not your riches, not your fame, but the light you leave behind. Live today.